So it's that time of the month when we take a look at the seedling progress. Most of my seedlings are in the greenhouse because it's easier for me to look after them here. I have got some Brussels sprouts and some cauliflowers, some wild rocket, a few other bits and pieces perhaps in the polytunnel. But most of what I've got is here. Up on the shelf here, I've got things that need potting on. So let's see. Yeah, so I've got calabrese and cauliflowers, I think, up there. More cauliflowers up there that have just been potted on. More cauliflowers and calabrese up there. And yeah, little Brussels sprouts that are ready for potting on here. And some lettuces and stuff that we're growing for winter. So then down here, I've got all the little seedling trays. So we've got the spinach and lettuce here, and what's that, parsley, more lettuce here, more calabrese, more spinach, more lettuce. So this spinach and this lettuce, that's the stuff that's going in between the carrots, and that probably won't happen now till maybe next week, once I've kind of eliminated the slugs from that carrot bed, because obviously there's lots of slugs and snails into there. And these little lettuce here, I'm not sure yet where I'm going to put those. Maybe, you know, after Asian greens, maybe after lettuce actually as well, because I've got some lettuce that's kind of coming to the end. I could pop that in there. These trays of lettuce here are just being grown on for a harvest in sort of January time. Wild rocket for March, planting out sort of late February, March time. Cauliflowers again for planting out late February, early March. Same with the red cabbage, same with the Brussels sprouts. So that, I think, is pretty much it. Not a lot really going on apart from my new batch of seedlings, which is just starting to germinate. Mostly those are for my brassica experiment. So I'm going to try and bring those on so that about end of February, end of January, middle of February sort of time, I'll be able to start planting all those little brassicas out in the polytunnel for a harvest in kind of April, you know, so the 6 weeks from the beginning of April to the middle of May when I put my tomatoes, peppers and, you know, cucumbers and all that sort of thing out. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's looking quite nice in here. It's nice to sit out in here now with all these seedlings growing and all these lettuces in the hanging baskets and things. It's starting to kind of come alive. It's very nice.